In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp checklist template and task template. If you're looking to streamline your work management process, creating templates is a smart way to kick off your productivity journey. We're going to walk through the steps to build a reusable template in ClickUp. First, let's get started by heading over to ClickUp. Open your web browser, type in the ClickUp URL, and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Now, let's go ahead and navigate to the Spaces section. Spaces in ClickUp are essentially your organizational hubs where different teams or projects might reside. Click on the Spaces tab and it will display all the spaces you have available. Choose the space where you want to create your task template. Next, we're going to add a new task. You'll find the Add Task button usually towards the top of your selected space. Click on it to start creating a new task. This task will later become part of your template, so it's essential to fill it out completely. Type in the name of the task in the designated field. Choose a descriptive title that captures the essence of the activities involved. This makes it easier to recognize the task when you're browsing through them later. After naming your task, consider adding an assignee. You can do this by clicking on Add Assignee, allowing you to assign the task to a team member. This step is helpful if your task requires collaboration or needs to be managed by someone specific. Another useful addition to your task is setting dates. Click on Add Dates to include a start or due date. By setting deadlines, you effectively manage time, allocate resources better, and ensure the task stays on track. Moving on, you may want to prioritize your task. Click on Add Priority to assign a priority level. Setting priorities helps ensure that the most crucial tasks are handled first, aiding in efficient workflow management. Additionally, you can add tags to your task. Tags are useful for categorizing tasks across different themes or projects. Simply click on Add Tag to insert relevant labels that can enhance searchability and organization. Once your task details are all set up, you can go ahead and click on the Save button. This action stores your task with all its attributes, ensuring that you won't lose any of your specified details. Now, let's proceed to open the Save task. Click on Open Sample Task to view your task in a more detailed layout. Here, you can continue crafting your checklist. Within the task, you will find the Create Checklist option. Click it to begin listing items you'll need for this particular task. Enter a name for your checklist that best represents its content. Add specific checklist items by selecting the New Checklist Item button. Here, you'll input all the individual steps or components that make up your checklist, enabling clear guidelines on what needs to be done, and there you have it, your very own ClickUp task and checklist template. By implementing these templates, you can replicate and reuse them for future tasks, making your task management process more organized and efficient.